Guys, Bafit, what's going on? What's happening, Mfukeng? Reports say PSV Eindhoven, 120 million. Oh, is all. Now it's the same club that bought Mawu Nkota in Saudi. El Ittihad, whatever. What's going on, Bafit? What's actually going on? Is Mfukeng leaving or is he not leaving? Because let me tell you something. If he leaves, I don't know how I'm going to feel about it. Because personally, one season. I need one more season for Mfukeng. AFCON is around the corner. Come on. What's going on? And he's telling internet straight. Pirate, is he leaving or not? Now, conflicting reports. Are you trying to get the price tag up? Nah. Mfukeng is not leaving. He's not. I don't believe this. I don't.